Hi fellow racers, just want to bring to your attention the new thumb brakes on the market. As you know that we have done thumb brakes now for the last 12 months and want to bring it to your attention that this Deluxe model, it's got the adjustable leveler, which you can see it is 12mm bore. It is adjustable on a fork mounted clamp. The clamp sizes can be done in 48mm, 50mm, 53mm, 54.5mm and 55mm. They do come with a split clamp, so you don't have to take your top yoke or your bars off. It'll go straight around your fork leg. It comes as a kit. It's got a lovely adjuster. It has got bearings. So this comes as a kit, and thank you for watching the video. If you want to find out more about PMR Race Products, please go to our website, which is www.pmrraceproducts.co.uk, or go to our Facebook page, which is PMR Race Products.